So na-install na. So muna yung head unit, Bafang C161. Then throttle, on off. Then the speed plus motor sensor, brake controls with sensor, lever with brake sensor, and battery, mid-drive motor, mid-drive shaft, the speed sensor. Okay, so battery is locked. Battery is off. Mid-drive motor now installed. Charge. Not yet. Turning it on first time. Power it on first time. Battery is on. Charge. 3 greens, 1 red. Now turn it on. Now assist 1, assist 2, trip 0 0. So battery is full. So try na to. So motor's not turning. So try na to. Wow! Woo! It starts to pedal. Strong motor. Kaya pala strong motor. So pedal assist is enabled. So try natin sa lapas. Woo! Pedal assist 1, pedal assist 2, 3, trip is 0. Okay, so try. Let's try first sa labas.